Just offshore of Buffalo sits an important piece of infrastructure most people never see. While it's easy to notice dredges working on the Buffalo River, there's another critical piece of the operation that makes that work possible.
My name is Alex Goldbach. I am a civil engineer for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Buffalo District. We are here at the Buffalo CDF-4 project. This is the contractor staging area where they're taking the stone and eventually going to place it on the perimeter wall of the CDF. The CDF is a confined disposal facility. It's the primary placement area for the material that's dredged from the Buffalo River and the Buffalo Harbor. Think of it like a giant sandbox. We use it to take all the material at the bottom of the river and store it so that it's not being placed back where it came from.
Now, the Corps of Engineers is making critical repairs to ensure the facility continues supporting dredging operations for years to come.
The work for this project in particular involves repairing the exterior CDF wall by placing a typical rubble mound structure on top of the existing wall. This includes small bedding stone at the base of the wall, underlayer stone in the middle, and large armor stone on top.
The repairs are designed to better protect the facility from the constant forces of Lake Erie.
The goal is to extend the lifespan of the CDF wall on the lake-facing side of the facility. Raising the crest height of the wall will help mitigate wave action and prevent overtopping and pooling of water inside the CDF. There's about $10 million in scheduled repairs for up to 900 linear feet of the wall this year, which is all federally funded.
Moving rocks that weigh several tons each requires careful coordination between crews on land and on the water.
The contractor has a barge that's placed next to the staging site for the stone, which is on the land. It's loaded onto the barge using a crane, and the barge is then taken out to the water using a tugboat, and then the crane barge takes the stone, places it actively on the wall from the barge.
Construction begins from the bottom up, creating a stable foundation before larger stones are added.
The bedding stone is the smallest stone that goes on the base of the structure. It's typically placed underwater for stability.
By the time construction wraps up, the scale of the project will be hard to miss.
When it's all said and done, there's about 56,000 tons of stone that will be placed. The contractor's been working quickly and has been placing up to 2,000 tons a day as long as the weather permits.
Construction began in late June and is expected to continue through early fall. Working alongside Buffalo's recurring dredging program, these repairs will ensure the harbor continues supporting commercial shipping, recreational boating, and a regional economy that depends on safe, reliable waterways.